Hello guys, how to simplify this 2 raised to power 22 times 3 raised to power 33. It is very interesting question. So let's start the solution. We will solve this by two methods. In method number 1, we will break this 22 and 33 as we can write this as 2 raised to power. This can be written as 2 times 11 which is equal to 22. Similarly, this can be written as 3 raised to power 3 times 11. Now, according to the formula which is given as a raised to power m cross n, if two powers are multiplying, then we can write it as a raised to power m and whole raised to power n. So, according to this formula, we can write it as 2 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 11 times 3 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 11. So, in this way, we many two terms with same power. Now we can further simplify it as 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4 times raised to power 11 times 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 27 raised to power 11. Now, as the both terms have same power, so we can write in a combined way, that is according to the formula. If a raised to power m times b raised to power m, then we can write it as it with a single power, that is a times b whole raised to power m. So according to this formula, we can write this as 4 times 27 whole raised to power 11. Now, uh, after multiplying 4 with 27, we will get 102 whole, sorry, 108 whole raised to power 11. So this is the final answer, that is simplified form of this given statement. Now we will use method number 2 to solve this. In method number 2, again we will make the two terms with same powers, but in this method we will rewrite this given equation as 2 raised to power 22 times 3 raised to power this 33 can be written as 22 plus 11 which is equal to 33. Now we can write this with a separate power according to the formula. If there is a raised to power m plus n, then we can write it as a raised to power m times a raised to power n, that is with same base, separate powers and multiplying with each other. So according to this formula, we can rewrite this equation as first term will remain as it is, 2 raised to power 22 times 3 raised to power 22 times 3 raised to power 11. Now from this we can see that first two terms have same powers, so we can write combinedly, and it is in accordance with the formula as we state earlier in method number 1, that is a raised to power m times b raised to power m is equal to a times b whole raised to power m. So according to this formula, we can write these terms as 2 times 3 whole raised to power 22 times 3 raised to power 11. Now it will become, after multiplying 2 times 3, we will get 6 raised to power 22 times 3 raised to power 11. Now we will again break this 22 as 6 raised to power 2 times 11 which is equal to 22 times 3 raised to power 11. Now again according to this formula, as we write earlier in the method number 1, we can write this term as 6 square whole raised to power 11 times 3 raised to power 11. Now 6 raised to power 11 is 6 square is equal to 36 and whole raised to power 11 times 3 raised to power 11. Now again both terms have same power, so we can write these both terms combined way as 36 times 3 whole raised to power 11. Now multiplying 36 with the 3, we will get 108 whole raised to power 11, which is the simplified form of this given statement, and it is similar as we conclude in the method number 2. So that is this is the solution of this question. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And after watching this video, if you have any other easy solution of this question, please share with us in comment section. Thank you.